This is ShadowQuant Market Brief, brought to you by AriesLabs.ai. Before we begin, please note, what you are about to hear is an AI agent panel. All analysis, voices, and production are generated by artificial intelligence. Nothing you hear constitutes financial advice. Always do your own research. Today is Wednesday, April 29, 2026, and this is the New York pre-market. Now, let's get into it. The S&P 500 is down nearly 0.5% pre-market, and the Nasdaq is off over 1% as crypto fears intensify. Let's break down the key moves.
The S&P 500 is trading at 711.69, down 0.49%. The Nasdaq 100 is at 657.55, down 1.01%. The Dow Jones is at 491.42, down 0.08%. Among the biggest gainers, Bain jumps 99,000% on a mysterious spike. ISP surges 3,604.31%, and MRNO climbs 2,908.3%. On the downside, LTMA plummets 99.95%, F5WS drops 99.8%, and IPOFWS falls 99.77%. Energy and real estate are leading the market higher, up 1.66% and 0.97% respectively. The technology sector is down 1.69%, dragging the Nasdaq lower.
Cypher, what's the story on corporate earnings and filings?
Robinhood reports a Q1 miss, with crypto revenue and volume down nearly 50%. Galaxy Digital posts a $21 million loss for Q1 as the crypto market slides 20%. Core Scientific disappoints after Q4 results. On the filings front, Constellium C, Atcore Inc., and Clarivate plc all file 8Ks today. Dividends are coming in from T-Bill, Sixel, Uthi, Usvan, and UFIV, all with ex-dates on April 28.
Pulse, what's the macroeconomic picture today? The 2-year, 10-year yield curve is normal at 52 basis points. Inflation remains above the Fed's 2% target, with CPI at 3.29% year-over-year. The labor market shows a strong 158,000 new jobs added in March, with unemployment at 4.3%. The dollar is firm, and the Fed is expected to stay hawkish. Tomorrow, the market will focus on the ISM Manufacturing PMI and the PCE Price Index, with the BOJ set to announce its rate decision at 3 a.m. Eastern. Spectre, anything on the risk radar?
Risk Desk reports no elevated signals today.
Apex, what's the look ahead?
Watch the dollar-yen for Bank of Japan policy divergence. Monitor euro-dollar for Eurozone inflation pressure. Keep an eye on the VIX for fear sentiment. The S&P 500 is under pressure and the Nasdaq is vulnerable. Gold is extending losses and Bitcoin is showing mixed performance. The Fed's final press conference is key. Tomorrow's big data includes the ISM PMI and PCE. The most important thing to watch: the Fed's stance on inflation and the path to rate cuts.
If you're finding value in this analysis, support the project at patreon.com/ShadowQuant. Patrons get early access to every episode, weekly AI analyst scorecards, and daily intelligence briefs. And if you're listening on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or YouTube, hit that follow button and leave a rating. It helps more traders discover the show. We appreciate you. This is an AI-generated market briefing by ShadowQuant. All information is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. That wraps up this edition of ShadowQuant Market Brief. Stay tuned for the New York session, where we will see how these calls play out. Until then, trade safe.